Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome again to another hair video. So today we are going to be doing faux locks, and as you guys can see, I'm doing the same thing in my last video. I part in the center and then I part from ear to ear. However, this is not a parting video, so I'm not going to show you guys how I part every single one of my faux locks, because sometimes I vary my parting with the faux locks. So if you guys want a separate parting video, let me know. So basically, you guys know the drill. The first part is going to be right below the ear, and it's going to be the last part in the back. And I usually, first of all, the part has to be crisp no matter what. And then I take my shining gem just to define the part and, mold the hair into place. And I usually part the back into 4 sections. Once everything is parted, I'm going to be using, for my curly wavy hair today, I will be using TRENDYTRESS. They sent me over a pack of hair. Well, they sent me a few packs, but I'll be using TRENDYTRESS and in the style River Curl. So this is how the packaging looks. It's really, really nice. I love the packaging. It just looks really nice. As you guys can see, the curls are bomb. And this hair held up very, very well. I really liked it, and it really comes with a lot in a pack, so you don't even need much. The curl pattern is there and all of that. So basically, I'll separate one, and I will start braiding my client's hair with the curly hair. However, my client's hair was a little bit fine, so basically what I did was I took marley hair and I split the marley hair in half, and then I just added on braiding with the client's hair just to make it a little bit thicker. So as you guys can see, it will be slowed down in the next clip. I just sped this part up because I'm doing the same thing over and over again. But I just took a half of marley hair and I just start braiding with the river curls hair. And basically, I don't braid all the way down. I only braid probably about an inch or two where I feel like it's secure enough that it won't slip or fall or anything. So now, as you guys can see, I split the marley hair in half again, and you want to make sure it's nice and combed out. And I basically take one little, it's not a half, but at least like a pinky spurt, and I slip it under the braiding hair. It's kind of like hard to explain. You kind of just watch, and then I hold that with my left hand, and then with my right hand I just start to wrap. And my wrapping is pretty fast because obviously I've been doing faux locks for a minute. But all I do is wrap all the way down to the bottom, making sure that the hair is separated. And once I get to the smaller part, or a little bit left, as you guys can see, I point it upwards. I wrap it upwards to seal the lock. Now, as you guys can see, I braided the hair with the marley hair, so therefore there is marley hair left over. So I'm just going to take that. I'm going to wrap it down again, and then when I'm ready to seal it, I'm going to wrap it back up to seal the lock. And I really hope I explained that properly, but you guys will see it again. So basically, I'm going to take part of the marley hair, I'm going to slip half under, I'm going to hold that half with my left hand and take the longer piece and start wrapping it. Then with the piece that I braided, the other half of marley hair that I braided with the river curls, since that's hanging out, I'm going to take that piece, wrap it down, and then wrap it back up to seal it. And I hope that made so much sense. But you guys can watch. I'm going to be doing another row, and it'll be slowed down. And yeah, I just really hope this tutorial is really, really helpful. If you guys want an in-depth parting, how I part and, make my locks seem fuller with not so much locks in your head, just let me know. But yeah, this is just basically, I just wanted to show you guys the method rather so than the parting. So the method, this is how my method, and it took me about exactly 3 hours to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. that wrapping and stuff is done, you guys know mousse is very, 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 very essential. So I take my mousse and I basically rub it all through the goddess hair, the River Curls Trendy Tresses hair, and basically that just makes everything look sleeker, come together, eliminates the frizz and all of that. I also trim the hair because obviously it is very, very long, and the longer the hair is, the more like caught in itself. So basically after I trim it to seal the ends, I use a flat iron. And a lot of people, I used to use the lighter, however I feel like the flat iron works the best. I don't know why, but I just use the flat iron to just seal the ends of the locks to make sure it doesn't unravel. And after I do that, you guys will see how I style them in a bun. However, it's kind of hard to explain the bun process, so I hope you guys watch. I'm still learning how to perfect this bun thing, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial of faux locks, like a talk through step by step, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.